is up, dudes? So we are starting the trip to Mexico. I am gonna pick up Nick. It's always good to have a buddy when you go on a road trip. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this simple. I'm just gonna go hang out, and whatever happens tonight happens tonight. Should be fun. Let's test out this new setup. I will say, just to save gas and travel expenses, I do plan, once OSW makes their changes on doing roll racing at the track, then I won't have to drive so far to do it more regularly. So once that happens, once they make those changes, hopefully, I'm really hoping we could even start doing that like next week. Then I probably won't be going to Mexico at all. Maybe occasionally, maybe just to hang out, maybe in the Miata. It's a fun car to bring over there, but yeah, it's just easier at the track. Way less work involved. But yeah, we're headed to get Nick, and I'll be right back. I'm back. That went amazing. Like, that was insane. So there was 2 runs that I kind of set up that I knew were going to be a little puppy kicky, but one of them was definitely not that. One of them is a dude that I've never had intentions on trying to beat. I just wanted to keep up with him. And we did it tonight. You'll see in a second. It's a dude with a Z06. It's a C6 Z06. And it's on spray. So before, when I had run him, it was on one kit, and it destroyed me. Absolutely destroyed me. 1, 2, 3! And even he told me, he was like, hey, once you get that thing on a tire, it's gonna move. So now he has 2 kits, and he agreed to run on one kit. So on the first run, which you will see shortly, he used the one kit, and I did way better than I normally do. I kind of redeemed myself on our previous runs. And then our second run was a 60 roll. That one, the car did great because he used both kits. So both kits, and we were actually pulling up top. He threw 5th gear. I did not. At the top of 4th, I was done. Nick swears we would have come around, and maybe we would have, but it would have taken a little while longer. And at that point, there's a point you kind of don't want to go past lengthwise when you're running someone. I got beat. So yeah, no, that went awesome. That alone makes this worth it. This wheel and tire setup is absolutely insane. I love it. I missed running the car. This thing is an absolute beauty. I missed it so much. I had a lot of fun tonight. Yeah, the tires just needed to be worn in. That's why they were a little sketchy earlier today. Out there now at 18 PSI, because I did air them down a bit. Hooked insane. So yeah, that's it for tonight's Mexico adventure. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see if I can line up some more appropriate runs for me. Now I know I can go with some cars that are a little bit faster than I used to run. But there's not that much right now. I'm going to see if I can find a couple of boosted Coyotes that are worth running. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, sub, and share with your friends. Peace.
You know. I begin to